If you watch HGTV, you have heard of Chip and Joanna Gaines, the stars of Fixer Upper. Recently, we went down to Waco, Texas in October. I did a little Ironman triathlon, but we spent a lot of time just kind of checking out this empire that they've built. Here is a great little visual tour that we hope you enjoy.